we're on another Airbnb, so that means there's another coffee machine I have to learn how to use. Okay, so these are my options. I'm assuming that means double coffee, so I should press that. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so it's our first full day in Austria. We came in last night and it was super dark, so we couldn't see a thing. But fall is here. Brandon flying his drone.
Should look epic. Got a lot of fall colors. We got some fog. We got a lake. We got some mountains.
Brandon just crashed his drone. Is it okay?
Well, I found it. That is oof. All right, we will see.
So what's the situation?
In a day or two, we should have our answer, but it's not looking beautiful at the moment. But the good news is, it crashed right next to a river, and it could have easily fell in the river and just got swept away. So I still have it. No one was hurt. Like, it didn't hit a car. We're fine. Nothing's wrong with us. What's done is done. Now we wait.
Also, we are staying in this Airbnb for a week, which is longer than we usually do. So we're really excited to just relax for a while. Here's a little Airbnb tour of where we're staying. It's the little kitchen. We have a microwave here, which is kind of rare. And then when you go into the bedroom, this is how it looks. And over here we have a sunroom. There's like a horse stable right over there, and we got to see really, really beautiful looking horses. Show you the view. That's the view. So for today, we are going to be exploring the town of Hallstatt, which is a beautiful town right next to a lake.
We lucked out. It's like a beautiful day today. The sun is out. It's just like a little town right on this lake surrounded by mountains.
The houses are also just very colorful and absolutely beautiful. Just look at the landscape. It's gorgeous. All right, so we are currently at Gosauseen Lake. As you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. The cool thing about this lake is that there's a trail that you can walk all the way around the entire lake. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Just look at the reflection of the mountain. And Brandon is sad because he doesn't have his drone.
I do definitely want to fly my drone, but it's impossible right now. This is how spoiled we are. We have that camera, we have this camera, we have our iPhones, and I'm still just like, I can't fly my drone. Just like, shut up, Brandon, just enjoy it.
So it's another day in beautiful Austria, and we are on the way to take a train up to Schafberg mountain. You can also hike there, but it will take about 3 hours, and we're not really in the mood to hike that far. How much was it?
43 each.
That's the place we went to get coffee, right on the edge of a cliff.
Did I just waste €1? So Schafberg Mountain probably has some of the best views we've seen our whole traveling trip. It was like a 35-minute steam train to get up here, and it's totally worth it. That mountain over there, it's like so jagged. And we had a cup of coffee, so we're feeling really energized. This place is a 10 out of 10.
We have made it to the Sky Lounge, our first airport lounge.